The boy who makes everyone laugh through his crazy content and funny personality. He is none other than IShowSpeed. He is an American YouTuber, rapper, streamer, and internet personality. IShowSpeed was born in January 21st, 2005 in Ohio, America. He joined YouTube in 2016, uploading gameplay videos occasionally. Around December 2017, Speed began live streaming and uploading videos of games such as NBA 2K and Fortnite, but only managed to average 2 viewers. Eventually, his subscriber count saw a rise in the span of a few months, reaching 100,000 subscribers in April 2021, 1 million in June 2021, and 10 million in July 2022. Things really began to take off for the young YouTuber in 2021. As he continued streaming 2K, Fortnite, and other games regularly, it became a common occurrence for Speed to have meltdowns on stream, often yelling or throwing things. Clips from his streams, including his outbursts, were spread by fans on social media sites like TikTok. The viral clips and outbursts propelled him from 100,000 to 1 million subscribers in less than 2 months. Moreover, IShowSpeed has managed to sustain this rapid rate of growth, going from 1 million to 11 million subscribers in just under a year and a half. Thanks for watching till the end. Keep on subscribing for more interesting videos.